Today we are going to see about Sony noise cancelling headphones. The model number of the Sony headphones are WH-CH720N. These are one of the top mid-range headphones that you can buy from Sony. So let's dive into it and see its unboxing. Let's start. So now this is the box of Sony headphones. Here is the brand and model number. Here we can see some details like 360 reality audio with noise cancelling support, 35 hours of battery, and I bet you will love the battery backup, multi-point support. This is one of the main features of these headphones. This is the box. As you see, I have already opened the box for my own testing. This is the box. One cable for charging here. This headphone also supports 3.5 mm jack. A small booklet from Sony, which we obviously don't need. These headphones are so lightweight, and the ear cups are so soft. First of all, I can say these headphones are quite lightweight and the ear cups are very much softer. Now these are the headphones. Take a look at them. Here are some of the buttons. Let's take it one by one. These are the headphone jack, which we can see very clearly. A USB-C port, which we can use for charging, and this is the power button and pairing button. There is a sensor, small sensor, which is used for noise cancellation, a mic for voice calls, and obviously voice commands. This is a noise cancelling. See, this is the button used for noise cancellation, plus and minus buttons, and this is the middle one for pause. Here is one tip. If you press this button for 3 times, it takes the track backwards, 2 times track forward, and 1 for pause. Again, your sensor, very small Sony branding here. A very good quality of headphones, but a much cheaper looking and much cheaper feeling than other headphones. A metal support here, which is good for durability, and another one cushion here. So here are the Sony headphones, guys. So did you like this video? Please comment and like the channel. So see you later. Bye.